So, very good morning to one and all. I, Dr. Tanushri, welcome you all to the IIC activity for the session on angel investment VC funding opportunity for early stage entrepreneurs. Today, IMT College of Law is glad to have Payal ma'am as our guest speaker. Ma'am has done her MPhil from Madurai Kamraj University, completed her graduation and post-graduation from Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Ajmer, and her topic of MPhil was cost volume profit analysis in wooden industry and working capital in Maruti industry was her MCom project. Ma'am is having a teaching experience of more than 15 years in various degree and PG colleges and autonomous colleges across Hyderabad and Rajasthan. So very heartiest welcome to you, ma'am, from the side of IIMT College of Law. And I now request you to please proceed with the session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity for sharing my thoughts. Thank you so much. Okay. Good morning, friends. Good morning, my dear friends. Now we start today's topic. My dear friends, today's our topic is related to investment. Here we are discuss about the two type of investment. First one is an angel investment and the venture capital. Okay. So, when we start our business, so funding refers to the money required to start or run a business. It's a financial investment in a company for product development, manufacturing, expansion, sales, and marketing. As you know, all the activities are related to the finance. So, when we start our business, when we start our any work, we require to the funding for office spaces and inventory as well as. Many startups choose not to raise funding from third party and are funded by their founders only. However, most startups to raise funding, especially as they grow larger and scale their operation. Isn't it? So here we are discuss about the angel investment and venture capital are the key funding opportunity for early stage entrepreneur offering capital and mentorship to exchange for equity. So my dear students, here we are discuss about the angel investment and venture capital. Angel investment is just like when we start our business, the angel investment is give us to as a mentor. How do we start our business? And venture capital is just like a long-term capital. They are issuing to our fund also. Now we are discuss about the angel investor. So angel investors are wealthy individual who invest their own money in early stage companies, often with the mentorship. And venture capitalists are professional investors managing funds from the institution and individual, typically investing large amount in high growth potential startups. So entrepreneurs should focus on developing a social business plan, understanding investor criteria, and creating compiled pitches to attract its virtual funding also. So my dear friends, here angel investors provide their personal funds for early stage funding, often offering mentorship and smaller investment amount. So when I start my topic on that time I explain also okay, angel investors just like our mentor and small investor invest the amount, while venture capitalists invest other people money from a professional firm into companies at various growth stages, typically typically investing large sum and expecting greater control and structured return. The choice between the two depends on a startup growth stage, funding needs, and desired level of control and involvement. So now we discuss about the way of secure angel and venture capitalist funding. Here, the first point we are discuss about develop a strong business plan. So when we start our business, whatever the business, it's a big business, small business, and we start up, the first point we are preparing a plan, because without the plan we can't create our technology, we can't create our strategy also. So when we start our business, first we are focused on the plan. So here our first point also is a develop a strong business plan. So create a detailed plan, outline your startup concept, market, strategy, and financial projections to convince investors of its viability. When we start our business now, my dear friend, then we are required to investment. So when the fulfill our investment design, we are convinced to our investors. Then what is the profit to investor also to invest in our business, the amount. Second point is to understand the investors criteria. First, we explain our plan. After that, we are understand what is the basic criteria to our investors. So learn what angel investors and venture capitalists look for in a startup, such as a market potential, competitive advantage, management team quality, and scalability. The third point is create a compiled pitch. Prepare a persuasive presentation that clearly communicate your business ideas, the problem it solves, your solution, and the financial opportunity for investor also. Because of what, when the investors invest our money in my business, naturally they wants the profit, more than profit. So that's why we are clear the concept. What is the financial opportunity they are received when they invest your money in my business also. Okay. So third point is clear, create a compiling pitch. The fourth point is related to a network and the build relationship also. Attend industry events, contact with the potential investors and large network to find suitable funding opportunity also. Because without network we can't run our business also. The 5th point, know the funding stages. Understand the funding outcome in stage, and investors will have different expectation at each stage of startup growth. What is the stage? The stage is related to the when we start our business is long term, then fund is required to the working capital. So both long term fund and working capital is one of the biggest issue and challenges for any startup looking towards scale, sustainability, and success. Depending on the business model and regulatory consideration, choice of entity will play a key role of determining the option of capital available for grant capital and commercial capital. Sources of capital available, for example, domestic capital and foreign capital. What do you mean by the domestic capital? Domestic capital, when our investor is related to our country, so we can say here it's a domestic capital. When the investor is related to outside of the country, so we can say here it's a foreign capital. And manner of the engagement with the founders, therefore, choice of legal entity should also be made through the lessons of the proposed sources of capital. So the next point, the venture capital is an institutional investor employed by a risk capital firm that invests its fund into startup or early stage business in exchange for equity stake in the companies. It's worth nothing that venture capitalized firms are usually formed as a limited partnerships in which the role and responsibility of management, just like a general partner, are separate from the investors or limited partners. When I invest my money in the long-term section, then we are having a key role in our business also. Just like a general partner, yeah, limited partner, yeah, just like we are having the vote for ownership, etc. Now we are discussed about the features and what's the difference between the angel investor and venture capitalist. My dear students, there's the basic difference in the angel investors. Angel investors is just like a startup business, and venture capitalist is just like a long-term investment. So the first point is related to the funding sources. In angel investors, what is the funding sources? Individual, typical high net worth using personal capital. It's a sources of fund. But in the venture capitalized firm, pulling fund from the institutional and high net worth investors. Okay. The second point is related to difference between the angel and venture capital is investment size. So the concept is clear for the angel investors. It's related to short term. So here investment size is also short. So 10 be smaller, potentially below a $1 million. And venture capital is little bit high compared to angel investors, tend to be larger, often in the 3 million range or more. The third point is related to target, timing. So often invest in an angel investor at the earlier seed or idea stage. It's related to earlier stage. But in the venture capital, what is the timing? Timing is related to long time. So here we are explain may invest later once the idea has been approved by the investors. Idea has been validated and the company show potential for growth. Okay. The next point is related to equity stake. It's a common for angel investors. The equity stake is a little bit lower. So usually take a lower equity stake. For example, 10% or 30%. And in the venture capitalized may demand as a large equity stake. So potentially up to the 50% or more than 50%. The next point is related to involvement. What is the involvement investors in my business? For angel investment, may be hands-on with advice and as a mentorship, but in virtual capitalized, often prefer a more hand-on role with the operational decision, and maybe they are represent our board meeting also. The next point is related to the flexibility. In angel investment, the flexibility tend to be more flexible with the terms and conditions. They are flexible because they are short term, so that's why. But in the venture capitalized, the more structured approach with the investment due to deadlines and the analysis. Now we are discussing about the conclusion and the point. The government of India found the inner 10,000 crores to invest capital availability as well as catalyze private investment and thereby accelerate the growth of the Indian startup ecosystem. The fund was set up as a fund of funds of startups. The fund was set up as a fund for startup approved by the cabinet and established by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade in June 2016. Funds for Startup does not invest in startup directly but provides capital to SEBI registered alternate investment fund known as a daughter fund. Okay, known as a daughter fund, who is in turn investment money in high potential Indian startup. SEBI has been given the mandate of managing the FFS. FFS is a funds for startup through the selection of daughter funds and overseeing the disposal of committed capital. The fund of funds makes downstream investment in venture capital and alternative investment fund that is turn investment into startup. The fund has been formed in a way that create a cascade effect. Funding is a provided to startup across different life cycles also. My topic is totally complete. Maybe if any doubts, then ask a question. Yes, ma'am.
We will be sending you the questions through email in case there are any questions. So on behalf of IMT College of Law, I extend a very heartfelt thanks to Payal Harsh ma'am, who is currently working as assistant professor at RNB Global University, Bikaner. Ma'am has given us her valuable time, efforts. So once again, I thank her on behalf of IMT College of Law. She has wonderfully presented on the topic of angel investment and VC funding opportunities for early stage entrepreneurs. And our students have been very enthusiastically listening to her. Thank you once again, ma'am. And I hope we will be having further more sessions with you in the coming future. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you much for this opportunity. Thank you.